How to make these fuzz balls. Okay, so what you're going to need are a pair of scissors, some yarn, and some sort of square. I just cut this square out of a pizza box and it works fine. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you get a pretty good amount of yarn. Okay, so we're just going to keep on rolling it out. Okay. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place the yarn in the middle, and then just keep wrapping the yarn around the square like this. Now, depending on how big you want the ball to be, it depends on how wide you want this part to be. But I normally like to keep it about 1 to 2 inches wide. And then you just keep wrapping on top. And you're going to want to get it pretty thick. Now when you're wrapping, you want to make sure that you don't wrap it too tightly, because eventually you're going to have to slide the piece of yarn off the box square. And if you do it too tightly, then you won't be able to get it off. So we're just going to keep on wrapping this, and see as I doing it as it gets thicker and thicker. So for the sake of time, I already have one that is completely wrapped, and as you can see, this is pretty thick. And so the next thing you want to do is you're going to cut the yarn off, and then you're going to just take it corner by corner and you're going to slide it off. Now when you get pretty close to the end right here, you're just going to want to grab it and just pull it off. Okay, so once you have it, it should be able to sit on its own and still stay together. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take some more yarn and you're going to place it in the middle of your clump here. And then you're going to tie a knot. Now when you pull it, you want to make sure that you pull it really, really tight. And after that, you flip it over. And I'll flip it. And you're going to tie your first knot. Pull it tight again. Flip it over another time, and you're going to make another knot. Now, I like to make a third knot on top of this one, but it's not necessary to do so. Okay, and then you're going to cut off the rest of the yarn. All right, so you should have something that looks pretty much like this. And then on each side, you can see it kind of makes its own little tunnel. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the scissors in the tunnel, and you're just going to start cutting. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the other side. Okay, and then you're just going to shake it out. And voila, you have your yarn ball.